Give it to him. Do it again, Sammy. Sammy. Oh, Grandma will be so proud of you, honey.
You're a teenager, sweetheart.
See if you can get him to do it again.
Gee, I wonder. Do it again, Sammy.
Oh, great. I love it. Oh, you can show this. You can show this to his girlfriend when he's about 16.
I think we should send it into World's Home's Funniest Video.
Oh, he's chomping on it now. Sammy. Oh, I love it. I love it. Hi. Make it hi.
Say hi, Sammy.
Sammy,
Say
have
hi.
another drink.
You're silly, huh?
Give him a drink, quick.
Oh, this is delicious. Here, you want some more?
This is great footage. I think you're gonna make. I think you're. Give him another drink, quick.
Are you dying of thirst? Huh?
Higher, higher, higher. So you go. All right.
It's my beer.
That's all right. You can.
Sammy.
Come on, give him a drink, Damaris.
Sammy, come on over here, have a drink. Here.
Higher. Make it higher.
Go. Okay. Ooh. Did you whack your lip?